This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Audible on a Mac. So here on your Mac, you want Audible. The easiest way to get it is right here on the App Store. So Apple App Store. You can find this at this URL here on the screen. I would of course put that in the video description. But also, first things first, I do have in the video description as well. There's an affiliate link. If you check that out, you can get Audible. There will be some kind of bonus, if I flip on over here, there'll be some kind of bonus, some kind of offer for you if you do not already have an Audible membership. Really depends on when you click that link and what Audible are offering at the time. But click that link, check it out. There might be a trial on, you'll be able to try out the platform. If it's for you, you can stick around. If it isn't, that's absolutely fine. You can cancel that trial. And actually they've got an offer on as of the making of this video. You can see right up here, it's 99 cents, 99 pence for the first 3 months. I've got these prices here in British pounds, but in dollars, they normally have that offer at about 99 cents for the first 3 months. So pretty good deal. You can check out the platform and see if it is for you. If you can stick around, or you don't have to, you can cancel your account at any time. So this is how you'll actually get it on your Mac. This URL right here, I'll put that in the video description. You will just open up the Mac App Store like this. You'll click Open App Store. And once that's open, you'll see that this will be opened right here. This is the App Store, the Mac App Store. You would click Get, and that will download Audible to your Mac. So hopefully you found this video on getting Audible on your Mac useful. If you have, drop the video a like, really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.